Before we move on to understanding acids, bases and salts in detail, we can quickly recap what we already know about them. The word acid sounds scary, right? It comes from the Latin word acidus, which means sour. Yes, most acids taste sour. Lemons, for instance, have acid, and you surely know how lemons taste. And we'd also seen that acids turn blue litmus paper red. Based on their occurrence, they are divided into two types: natural acids and mineral acids. As the name suggests, natural acids are obtained from natural sources. They're also called as organic acids. Citric acid, which we get from citrus fruits, is an organic acid. Mineral acids, on the other hand, are acids that are prepared using minerals. They are also known as man-made acids or inorganic acids. Nitric acid is an example of mineral acid. What about bases? You can think of them as being opposite to acids. They are bitter in taste and turn red litmus paper blue. Sodium carbonate and lime are examples of bases. What are salts then? Is common salt a salt? What are the chemical properties of acids and bases? How do they react with metals? How do they react with each other? Is there any scale which helps us understand if a substance is an acid or a base? Answer to all these questions and much more in the coming videos. Happy learning!